That was a long drive. We basically drove from Boone to Asheville on the Parkway, and it was a good time. Now, I did hit some potholes that's got me a little worried. I'm ready to look at the HREs and make sure they're not destroyed. And bro, we saw a UFO. We saw a UFO, and John almost hit the Chupacabra. And if you don't know what that is, we don't either, but we do not know what he almost hit. It might have been a bobcat, could have been a cougar, I don't know, but it was scary looking. Here we go. This might be a shit show.
It'll be alright.
What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, guys. I'm so happy to have you back. I know it's been a while since I shot a video, but the M4 CSL video was doing good, so I felt I didn't want to just go right into another video. But now I do have some content that I know that you guys love. Me and John are going back up the mountain, and we're going to this awesome place called the Viaduct. In the Blue Ridge Parkway, it's like this bridge that hangs off the edge of a giant mountain, so it's really cool, and I think that you will love it. And we're gonna try to get some shots of the cars with the sunset. So don't want to talk too much, we'll get right into it. But first, I do have a new mount to mount my DSLR on the back of the car, and I'm a little bit nervous about it because this is a Sony a7 III and I love it and I don't want to break it. John just got back from Vegas. Tell them what you told me.
So I put $20 in, came back with $21, cashed out, came out on top, you know? Vegas.
Guys. Me and John are so alike. I don't gamble.
Yeah.
I don't gamble because I don't win. John won, but he only won $1.
The exhibit bought the gallery. Also with the yacht and bought out all my cavities. Having sex with your old lady.
I mean, I don't think it's gonna come off, but
It seems pretty on there to me. Yeah, it's not going anywhere, you know? It was like a really windy day, and then I might question it, but even then, I think you'd be fine.
we'll stop at one of the stops before the Viaduct and put it on, so that way I don't gotta drive with it for a long time.
Yeah.
Espresso, but it's triple shot. I don't sweeten it. Y'all getting slapped on cause you sleeping in. Oh God, aside from me, I don't believe in shit. I'm done fucking, but she telling me to leave it in. Lot of blessings piling up that I ain't even wished for. None left over for y'all, I'm locking the fridge door. At the crib, cutting hits. I read through the catalog, came to conclusion, no one's touching this. Just finished the maiden voyage, hopping off the Mayflower. Set up shot to kill them off, whatever to take, pal. Seen the boats, I'm at home. I'm selfish with the goals, I could give a fuck who
Going from like 100 to 65 degrees in like one day.
Yeah, dude, it was hot as shit.
I know.
So here is the moment of truth, guys. I'm about to put this camera on the back of my car and hopefully get some dope ass shots of John. So I think I've said it before in my channel, but I'll let John tell you. What's the color of the car?
It's a Yas Marina blue. Or your car?
Your car.
Oh, Azurite black.
And it's an individual color.
So, yeah, it's an individual color.
He likes the color of my car better.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm just kidding.
I don't know. I mean, yeah, Yas Marina blue is
very common.
Like, yeah.
It's very common. This is not very common.
Azurite black. I mean, it looks black now, but like in the sunlight, you have the blue pop out. At certain points, it almost looks tanzanite, you know?
Yeah. Go watch the detail video way back on my channel if you want to see the color of this car for real. Here we go. This might be a shit show.
It'll be alright.
talking about getting the drone above the viaduct, and the reason why it's so sketchy to do is because it's highly illegal. I got stopped one time for flying my drone up here, and the park ranger told me it was a $10,000 fine. So I don't want to pay $10,000 and you know, probably lose my car or some shit. I don't want to do that, so we're not going to do that right now. But what we are going to do is we're going to go find somewhere to make more content with the camera and the gimbal. And you know, the sky's getting prettier every minute. But what we were talking about is we're going to come up here this fall.
Yes.
And we'll have to come up in the morning when there's nobody up here.
Yeah, for sure.
Like early. Like we might just have to wake up at like
6 o'clock in the morning.
just head up here. Cause like, let me tell you guys, and I love you Floridians, especially all my Floridian BMW friends, but y'all's people that come up here and take over the roads in the fall just to see some leaves, y'all are crazy. They're straight wild.
I know. It's yeah, those drivers, I mean, they like to hog up the road there, you know.
And drive slow as shit. Alright guys, so we got some videos done of the two cars. So now I'm going to show you our view because it's amazing. That view is insane. And then you pair it with these two cars. Holy shit. It looks so good. What do you think of the view, John?
Best on the East Coast. Think it better than this for sure.
Yeah.
I mean, perfect night too. Yeah, perfect night, perfect weather.
I cannot wait for fall because this place is amazing during the fall. But I think what we might do now, we might actually drive all the way back to Asheville on the Parkway and hit the parking deck. I don't know, maybe grab some like fast food or some shit, chill out. I don't know, the vlog may continue, it may not, but either way guys, like and subscribe. I know you love this kind of content. That viaduct shit, that is like, not many people do that. Not many people have done that, what we just did. That's groundbreaking, that's what I'm looking for. We are trying to make cooler content and just trying to get John here to do YouTube.
I'm gonna do it.
I mean, he's on like, he's like my channel regular now. So
For sure.
we're about to do that and get out of these people's way because I know they're mad.
Oh, they're pissed.
It's actually cold.
I know, it's like 63 degrees right now.
The wind
in the middle
whipping.
of August.
You guys probably can't see this, but like all the city lights. I was trying not to drive too fast, but not too slow because like we passed one deer.
Yeah, I saw that.
I was like,
he's just chilling out there.
He's just chilling on the
staring at
side of
us.
the road. It was literally August and it's freezing outside up here. I mean, this place is so cool. Bro, me and John just saw a fucking UFO. It might be some Elon Musk shit, but like,
I mean, that's not planes. That's not an aircraft.
dude, if it is an aircraft, it's like 20 of them, like in sync.
Unless it's like the U.S. Navy.
But I feel like we would hear them.
Or China could be that too.
Don't say that. Oh God. If we die, I'm glad that we died up here, man.
Right. I mean, it could be some new balloons that are shooting up there. I don't know.
It's probably Starlink. They're gone though. Look, they're gone. They're in the orbit or whatever.
Man.
Wild. That was a long drive. We basically drove from Boone to Asheville on the Parkway, and it was a good time. Now, I did hit some potholes that's got me a little worried. I'm ready to look at the HREs and make sure they're not destroyed. And bro, we saw a UFO. We saw a UFO, and John almost hit the chupacabra. If you don't know what that is, we don't either, but we do not know what he almost hit. It might have been a bobcat, could have been a cougar, I don't know, but it was scary looking. John, what was that animal that you almost hit, dude?
I know, right? I don't know what the hell that was.
That was chupacabra, dude.
There was a fox or something. Like
It was
a mini
gray.
fox. Yeah. I don't know. It's going too fast to like really see what it was, but it was.
And like it was looking at me like, try me.
Yeah, I know. I'm
like,
thankful I didn't hit it though, because I was like super close. It's like right there.
the city is beautiful tonight. Dude, this car looks so sick at night.
Yeah, dude. That's a.
Like Batman should have drove this exact car.
I know, right? Oh, let me turn off my. Yeah, I think if I get a bigger rear.
Oh man, it feels good to stand up.
Yeah.
We were getting it, dude.
Yeah, we were going like highway speeds around some of those corners.
It felt so easy.
Yeah.
I'd be like, oh shit, and then I would do it one-handed.
Yeah. That wasn't even really that aggressive either. We were still going like highway speeds.
Yeah.
Around there.
It's just that sharp.
Yeah.
You can see the blue.
Oh yeah. Yeah, definitely with these lights.
Guys, give John some suggestions on what front lip he should go with. He wants the M Performance one because he is scared to mess one up anyway.
Yep. I feel like the M Performance one will look good.
Yeah.
CT or GTS will look good too.
Yeah.
CS would. I don't know.
They all would look good.
Yeah. It's hard to.
John's biggest fear is it flying off on the road.
Yep. I know. I'm gonna be stressing about that once I get that lip on there. It's like, do I still have a lip down the interstate?
I'll tell you what, I've been pretty fast in my car and my lip is held.
Yeah.
Bro, I hit some freaking gnarly dips. I'm just like looking at my rims like, please don't be bent. I don't see anything.
Yeah, I think it's fine.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm ready for fall, but I'm gonna miss summer.
I know, I feel you.
I'm gonna miss this type of weather. Like this is perfection.
I know, you can't get much better than that. And it's really good for our cars too.
Dude, you know what I love about these cars? They stay so cool. When you're in Sport Plus, like so I don't know if you've ever messed with your top mount intercooler, but like you can stop after a drive and put your hand to it and it's like cool to the touch.
Yeah, I think it keeps the I think it keeps like the oil temps a little cooler.
It does.
Plus,
it does.
Like support and comfort. Maybe like, I don't know how many degrees cooler, but I did notice it dropped a few notches every time I'm in Sport Plus.
Yeah, if you get the heat exchanger, even better.
Nice.
I gotta get that. I had one on the way.
Yeah.
Among a lot of other performance modifications. So if you're watching this, Mishimoto, you guys are awful. But that was a good deal. I could get them all color matched and everything for like $2,500.
Right.
But you know, you only got to wait 2 years for it.
Yeah, just about 2 years, man.
Yeah, you know, I don't even have charge pipes on my car. I got to order charge pipes next.
Yeah, I mean, that'll be a nice mod. I mean,
it just,
doesn't
you know,
really do any performance, but it's still that peace of mind that they're not gonna pop, you know?
Yeah, I've had a charge pipe pop before on my X4.
Yeah.
And it's like not a big deal, but like it's like a pain in the ass.
355s are prone to blowing a charge pipe.
Yeah.
So you got a leaf right here.
All right, guys, so it's been a really crazy day. I know that you guys like the content with me and John on the Parkway, so we had to go do it again, and we're gonna do it more and more and more. But it's been a crazy day. We've seen a lot of crazy shit, and hopefully you'll like it, and hopefully you'll like those shots that I risked my camera for. And if you enjoyed it, like and subscribe. Peace out.